Which ones, mate?
On the right and left of where the PCB upstand is.
Yeah.
So work on
yeah. That's the one, mate. That's the one.
Ben, do you want to take it?
Yeah, I still know what I'm doing. I've still got it.
Welcome back to the iHeat YouTube channel. Today we are upstairs in an attic and we've got a Viessmann Vittidens 100 swapping out for a Worcester 4000. Bit of an interesting job. Obviously we are high up, so we've got to think about safety. Lee is on the job today and he's got an extra pair of hands with him to help him get the boiler up the ladder into the attic itself. We have already got the 22mm gas pipe, so it's quite a easy exchange on that side of things. We do have a pet, there's a cat running around, so we have to keep the doors closed, and a young child as well to make sure it is a vulnerable person. We need to make sure we're doing all the right things to make sure they're okay and safe.
So basically the condensate went out through that hole in overflow pipe. It's on, I think it's 1.25 inches outside, or maybe 1.5 inches, but we need to have it as a continuous pipe, so we need it to be going out through the wall at 1.25 inches. So all we'll do afterwards is core that hole out, make it a bit bigger, send 1.25 inches through, terminate it how it's terminated now into the soil vent pipe. Yes, so I've just put some clips on the wall, secure all the pipes. That's the floor. I'm just on with the return at the moment, getting that in. That's for the fill and loop, the filter, yeah. And then after that I'm going to go on to the hot and colds, and then last I'm going to move on to the gas.
Any reason why you're in the gas last? Just because it's on the phone?
No, it's just
preference.
Yeah, there's nothing. I've got all the way. Feel that peel.
It's food time. What are we having?
Do you want some chips for you?
Yeah. Yeah, go on.
Right, Ben, where have we been?
We've been to Cheshire Bun. It's not that funny.
It is, I think it's a funny name.
I'm on a double Cheshire Bun special. It's fantastic. Just for the burger, it's about £7. So it's not cheap. It's not cheap. You could definitely do cheaper for an on-site, but is that gonna... It's not cheap. You could definitely do cheaper for an on-site meal, but this is exceptional.
What are you giving it out of 10?
This gets a solid 9 for me.
Solid 9?
Yeah.
It's a 9 for me as well.
A 9? Go on, Lucas, you got anything?
Fantastic burger.
A 9.
So normally I waffle on this YouTube channel, but today we're eating a waffle instead. Got banana, Nutella, and ice cream somewhere. I need to find it. The banana's an 8 out of 10 so far. Maybe later I'll get back to you about the waffle. Today's job has been installed by Lee. Lee has done a beautiful job. Tell us a bit about yourself. You say one of the first, could be the first installer for iHeat, which is a very proud moment. I don't know.
Yeah,
maybe?
definitely, definitely. Yeah, they're all good guys at iHeat, and I've been doing it 27 years now.
Right. Okay.
My dad was essentially an engineer.
Yeah.
I served my time with him, and I've been doing it ever since. Just boiler installs.
How's iHeat changed? It's been like 4 years now, 3-4 years. How's it changed from the start? Is it still, was it on an app all those years ago? Did you get an app? Or
no, there was no app.
Was it just have a phone call?
Yeah.
Can you do this boiler?
That's it.
Any engineers or apprentices watching who may be struggling to find jobs, do you think iHeat helps you find more work than trying to go on your own or whatever? Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the best thing I've ever done.
Yeah.
Get signed up with iHeat. Best thing I've ever done. Yeah. They're a great company all round, great guys to work with. And they're great for the customers as well. They're a fantastic company.
Yeah.
Fantastic company all round.
No, wonderful. What's left of the job then before we sign off for the day?
So it's just in the air purge mode, as I said. Then we're going to get it fired up, check everything's working, and then it's a case of doing the working pressure, gas rating it, doing the high and low on the flue analyzer, and flush it. There's a cleaner in the system now. We'll give it a good run, and then we'll flush it out, and then before we go, we'll put an inhibitor back in.
Yeah, and we do a handover with customer, tell them how to use the thermostat, tell them how to use the boiler.
That's it.
job's a good one. But no, I think we're going to wrap it up there. We're going to head back to good old Bolton. Cheers, Lee. Enjoy the
Thank you very much.
rest of your day. Nice one.
Cheers, thank you.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. This has been iHeat.